This is the product that I like to use to do my hair. It's Madison Reed, and the color is Positano. Look at my grays, has really grown out. Okay, so we're going to divide it into fours. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it should look like. Okay, so this is the berry cream. Put it around your hairline. Okay, let's get started. So put the color at the top, around your hairline, and we're going to do the other side. Voila. Okay, so that's how it's going to look. We're going to let it process for 35 to 40 minutes depending on how resistant your grays are. I have really resistant grays around the hairline, so I go 40 minutes. But really, if you go, the processing time is good for 50-55 minutes, but after that it stops working. So if you forget, don't worry about it. It's not going to damage your hair. When I jump in the shower, what I like to do is I'll remove this, roll my hair down, and then I'll let the water run on my hair until the water runs clear. Okay, all showered. Unveiling time. Look, no more grays. See? The grays are all covered.